Hey guys, so um, I just ordered a tank protector from Amazon. I'll link the I'll link this in the description below, and I also got the all-season weatherproof cover for my Ninja 650. So I'm gonna be installing these and checking the size for the um, bike cover, but yeah, I'll show you how to install this first. And all you're gonna need is a microfiber towel or any rag that's soft enough to collect dust. So let's get into it. So I think you have to open this from the back because it has this dent in here, and you just have to open it like this. So it has a keychain and the Ninja tank protector. So it actually has the instructions right here, what you need. So follow the instruction and you'll be okay. I think I'm just gonna put it in like this. So I'll show you the after result. So far I installed the top part, and in the Ninja 650 there's a line, so that helps you align it so you can put it straight. And I put this a little bit down because you need support down here too once you're sitting down. And I think this is at least 2 fingers of gap, so I think that's okay. So next is putting the side ones on, and that's gonna be just, I think, around here or a little bit on top. I'm not sure, but I'll figure it out. After installing it, it looks amazing. I'll show you here. So what I did for this side ones is I lined it with this curve here, and I put it right in the middle of the Ninja, and with the curve I lined it up and it matches with this point here and also this point here, as you can see. And I did that for both sides, and that made me measure it equally and put it on equal sides, and this one's in the middle. So I hope that helped you. And now for this bike cover that's all season, so you can put it in winter and it will cover your whole bike, I guess. So I'll put this on. I haven't tried the real size because I don't know which size my bike is, and I ordered it extra large, so I hope it fits. Let's see.
Don't go.
I guess it fits.
Okay. Lah, Nani पनि गयो. She's taking too.
I guess it fits because it's all over.
Yeah, it does.
So one good thing about this cover is it has a reflective, like a reflective stripe, and that helps cars when they come in at night and they can't see the bike because it's all black. This will actually reflect the headlight and let the driver know that my bike is right here. So I hope this video helps you a lot. I will link the products link down in the description if you need it. You can find it in Amazon. So I hope this video helped you a lot. After this, I'm gonna go home and install the key inside the keychain, and then the video will be done. Alright, I hope that helped you a lot. Good luck, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.